Requests for accounting and auditing services are projected to increase, as is the expectation from clients for immediate answers to their questions. Yet many partners are retiring, being replaced by new partners less willing to compromise their work-life balance. So how do you appease your clients and staff? Some rely on yesterday's tools and processes to meet today's demands. In doing so, 80% of accounting staff waste more than 30 minutes a day searching for information, and 60% spend more than an hour a day duplicating work. To remain competitive in this profession, you need to do more in less time. And that's why tax and accounting firms are turning to Thomson Reuters Practice CS. With customizable dashboards and reporting, you'll have instant access to all your data exactly the way you want it. You'll have actionable insights that allow you to make the informed decisions you need to benefit your firm and your clients.
Practice CS is the nucleus of our firm. It has increased the efficiencies in our office through the integration tools that we would have never thought were possible. We have client dashboards that every staff in our office brings up before they get on the phone with a client, before they work on the client. It's been an amazing tool for us.
With project management templates, process and resource reporting, and integrated project tracking, you'll know project status, firm priorities, and key client information in just seconds. The added transparency helps you and your staff work as a united team toward firm goals.
Got rid of a ginormous amount of spreadsheets that we were using to track returns and projects and status of items and different things coming in and out. And now we have a cohesive unit that is truly the brain of our entire operations. We tell our staff that they need to start in practice and end in practice every single day that they come to work.
With data sharing, custom fields, and a centralized client database, you'll establish a single process and source for all your firm's data. You and your team can trust that the data you have is accurate and up to date.
We're more up to date with our clients. We're following up with them more because of the constant reminders that we are getting from practice itself.
In this age of the client and work-life balance, Practice CS is essential to your success. Visit our website to learn more.